Hey guys, welcome back to another Coin Forum video. So I haven't made one of these type of videos in a while now. Uh, I mean by that, I mean that, where you can actually see my full face. It's usually, me showing you a product or something like that. So I want to kind of do this video and do kind of like a, person to person kind of talk to you guys. But let's get to the news, guys. So today I actually went on bestbuy.com and saw this deal for you guys. So they actually have the LG Stylo 4 priced at discounted rate at $179.99. So on Boost Mobile they have it for $200. I believe they have it for $150 right now. But what's cool about the Best Buy deal, it's the same one. It will work. It will work for Boost Mobile because it's Boost Mobile variant. But guys, they're giving you right now a $50 Reboost card. Doesn't matter if you're a new customer or an existing customer, you can just go ahead and pick up. Basically, you can get a free month of unlimited data if you get the phone at $179.99. Now, the crazy thing about it is Best Buy actually has it priced at $250. Or I guess it's the bundle deal. It's the $200 for the Stylo plus a $50 card. Right now, you save $70 on it with a promo. It's not a promotion. Well, they have a discount going on of $70 or 28%. So instead of you paying $250, you're only going to pay $180. Like I said, that includes a Stylo 4 that will work on Boost Mobile and also a $50 Reboost card. So if your month's coming up, you can go ahead and get a free month. So that's an amazing deal, I think. Well, Boost Mobile having the phone at $150 right now. Well, $200, but right now they have it on sale for $150. But still, you would save more with this promotion since you're getting a free month, guys. So that's pretty cool. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Like I said, I did do a review and unboxing of the LG Stylo 4 for Boost Mobile. You can check that out in the description below if you want to. But I mean, overall, I think I gave the phone, medium ratings, probably like a 7 out of 10, just for the specs. So this is not the Stylo 4 Plus, guys. This is the regular Stylo. So this one's the one that doesn't have fast charging. And please, guys, know this. I'm talking about the Boost Mobile variant, not the Metro PCS. A lot of people get that confused, and I'm tired of that. So Boost Mobile version I'm talking about, not the Metro version. So this one does have fast charging, but it does have a 6.2-inch screen, octa-core, 1.5 gigahertz with 2 gigabytes of RAM, 32 gigs of internal memory, 13 megapixel camera. So overall, it is a decent phone, guys. But if you want to learn more about that phone, check out the description below. So yeah, guys, please comment, rate, subscribe. Just a little quick news for you guys. If you'd like to support the channel, you can via my PayPal in the description below, or you can check out netbuddy.co. They do offer true unlimited AT&T hotspot for only $60 a month. But if you use my link and promo code Sanchez45973 at checkout, you will save $5, and it'll help me help you out. So thank you, guys.